So welcome to this executive program. And today, as we know that we have been going through personal mastery session, that how you can control your personal power and you can utilize those power to achieve your success, because that is very important. To achieve your success, all please listen, this is very important. If you really want to achieve your a success, your mental power, your physical power, your spiritual power, your health, everything matters. If you are physically, please listen again, I'm telling you, this is very important. If you are mentally very intelligent, you are hardworking, but if you are not working physically, this is going to slow down your mind and your body. It works simultaneously. So you need to be effective. This personal power will not, don't think that it's all about mind. Of course it's all about mind, but it's all about, we also need some mental and physical, both, power at the same time, when we really want to succeed in our life. So guys, today we are going to do this wonderful, thought provoking module, and that is 20-20-20 formula. So yes, I was just asking to, Jaideep. Jaideep, are you there? Jaideep, can you tell me and unmute yourself and tell me, when do you wake up at the morning and what you do after you get up?
Yes,
Yeah, Jaideep. Yeah.
I wake up at 7 o'clock actually. Not before that. I tried many times to wake up at 6 o'clock, but due to not going actually not sleep at time due to my kid, actually slept about after 12 o'clock.
Mm.
So after wake up, sir, I go for my routine work like brushing and other morning things, and also do some stretches exercises for my back pain, and
Okay. Okay.
do some yoga and also for 15 minutes.
Oh, that's great. Wonderful. Very good. Okay,
So
I'll
after
come
that,
to,
I
yeah,
take for my physical and mental body, sir.
that's very good. That you do every day? Okay. I think Jaideep got disconnected. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Manjul.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that you do every
Daily,
day, right?
yes,
Absolutely. Very good. Very good, Jaideep. I'll
in
go to
morning and
Manjula. Yeah, Manjula.
Yes, sir. Good
So
evening,
what
sir.
is your, yeah, good evening. What is your morning ritual? When do you wake up and what do you do after that?
Sir, I wake up at 6 o'clock basically, and after that, I am taking yoga classes.
Oh, you are
And
taking yoga classes or you
yes,
are,
yes. No, sir, I am a yoga teacher
हाँ कब
also.
भाई ये कब हुआ? You didn't tell me any, this.
Sir, in Ahmedabad, I am doing the yoga teacher training course,
Oh,
and in this lockdown period, I'm started taking the classes.
wow. Very
So,
good.
yes, sir. It's
Very good.
absolutely free.
Oh,
So
you give free training.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Absolutely free. So some
So
of
guys,
my
I think I just
friends
want to
are,
tell to each and everyone here, if you really want yoga classes, you contact Manjula.
yes, 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 sir. Welcome, welcome, very welcome. At 6:30, I'm starting the classes, and for 1 hour. And after that, before this, I am freshen up the regular days, and after that, I am drink some detox water, and
Wow.
after one half for half an hour, I am doing for my personal meditation. It's for only
That's
for me. I'm
very good.
after the classes, I am doing the for half an hour meditation for
Mm.
myself,
Okay,
and
wonderful. Wonderful.
it's make me very soothe and calm, and it's helped me out. And of course, your sessions are always help me, and it is connected spiritually,
Absolutely.
mind and body. It's connected very, and it's make me very immune. So I am
Absolutely.
not fall ill or getting suffer from any diseases. very frequent.
Okay. Thank you.
Before
ma'am.
that,
Yeah.
thank
We
you,
have
sir.
to go to some more people. I just want to now
Yes, yes, sir.
go to
Yes, sir.
Rupesh and Vibha. Okay, so when do you both get up? Who gets up first? Oh, Rupesh. That's so
Mostly,
when do you, yeah.
mostly I woke up at around 5:30 in the morning.
Oh, wow. And Madam Vibha ma'am, when do you get up?
Almost half an hour later.
Okay, no, but anyhow, 6 is a good time.
Yes, when I was going to school, that time I was Delhi. I woke up at 4:30 or 4 o'clock
We are
because
not talking about past right now. We are talking
now
about
I'm not going anywhere. That's why I'm taking benefits benefit of that.
okay. Fine. Thank you, guys. Okay, now we'll come back to our session. So morning rituals are very important, and it change your game plan, your life game plan. Let's see what is 2020. 20. So there are three parts. The first part, the first pocket number one is first 20 minutes move. First 20 minutes move. The next pocket is pocket number two, middle 20 minutes reflect. And the last 20 minutes is grow. So it's a combination of move, reflect, grow. Move, reflect, grow. Move, reflect, grow. So if you wake up at, suppose normally average, if you wake up at 6, then 6 to 6:20 is move. Then 6:20 to 6:40 is reflect. 6:40 to 7, it is grow. Now, what is this move, reflect, grow? I'm going to tell you. This is very important, guys. Let's see. You can see the first column here, the pocket one, pocket two, pocket three, mood, move, reflect, and grow. Let's talk about move. It is very, very important. So what does it mean by move? Move, what does it mean? The move means intense exercise. Sweat hard, learn, hydrate, breathe. Guys, this is very important. Huh? Intense exercise. You run, it should be intense. You should sweat hard. See, I don't know. If you are a normal person, if you're regular and you are physically a fit person, then this should be your schedule. If you have any medical problems and all, then you have to, somehow manage and talk to your doctor, and you have to understand what you can do, what you are not, what you can't do. But if you are a normal, regular, fit person, and if you follow this move, reflect, and grow, this 20 formula, this is every time I'm telling you guys, you can change your life by changing the way you start your morning. The first is intense exercise, sweat hard, learn. While you do exercise, you learn few things. Hydrate, take maximum is whatever the water you need, you should always have it. Don't take over, don't take under. You should know that you should not drink above a limited level what you should take. Breathe deeply. This is called move. Now, what is reflect? What is reflect? The reflect means journal, meditation, plan, pray, contemplate. Journal, writing journal, what I'm going to do today, what I'm going to do tomorrow, what I'm going to do 3 days after. You know, it is said when you write your days, it happens. See, we cannot control our day, but when we write, somehow we control it. Few things are not in our hand, but most of the things are there and we can create our day. I'll come to you guys if you have any question, but right now, please listen. And if you have any question, please write it down. Write journals. Journal means write your diaries. You know, this is my diary. So I always write what I'm going to do. And without writing diary, if you don't know what you are going to do tomorrow, it means you are not living. If you don't know, if I ask you what you are going to do to, see, this is very important. Many people say, sir, I know everything is there in my mind, what I'll do. Do I need to write? Of course, because it's not about you remember or you don't remember. It's about when you write, because it was something very virtual, virtual, which was, you cannot see that. But when you write it, you see that. It becomes a thing now. Earlier, it was in your mind, but right now it is a product. It is a thing when you write it down. It is very important that you should make your journal. I'm very happy to see that Neeraj is, writing the journal. It's an outstanding quality, guys. You will think, I've seen many people. They say that, sir, kya hoga likh ke? What will happen? If something is there in my mind, what is the need of writing? आप क्या बोलोगे? मैं खुद को लगता था. I used to write. मैं खुद लिखता था. और मैं खुद सोचता था, अरे यार, ये तो मुझे को पता ही है, मैं लिख के टाइम वेस्ट क्यों कर रहा हूँ. वेरी गुड नीरज, वेरी गुड. you know I just want to tell you, there are many people, मिस मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ, मेनी पीपल छोड़ दो. मुझे लगता था, अरे यार, जो चीज मुझे याद है, आई नो मेरे को कल क्या करना है, उसको लिखूं क्यों मैं. और while I'm writing, I'm using time and I'm wasting my time. Guys, when you write, you do that. When you write, the chances become maximum that you will do that. I'm telling you, earlier, I was not so planned that, who will join, when the payments will come and everything. Right now, I always plan my budgets, what I am getting and what I can expect this month. Because I don't have any salary, so I have to work and get. So when I write that, today I have earned this, tomorrow I have earned this, what I expect and what I achieve, I always see that the day I have started writing my budgets, my income have started rising. I don't know why it happens, but it happens. I don't know. It was always there in my mind. I always used to write in my mind, but it never happened. But when I started writing on the diary, it started happening. I don't know why. If you ask me, sir, why does it happen? I just have an answer that when you have something in your mind, it is something which is abstract. But when you write something, it becomes a discipline. You can see that. And discipline is very important. At our age, motivation will not work. I will do that. Motivation will not work. People see motivational videos, they go to gym, next day they lose it. Motivation is not going to help. Discipline is going to help. The more disciplined you are. So guys, what we are talking right now, that this reflect means you write journals, you meditate. If you don't know meditate, we can have a session on meditation. We can talk about that, because there are so many people, they don't know how to meditate. Okay, so if you want meditation session, we can plan accordingly. If you can WhatsApp me, we can make a group and we can start it. Okay, praying. I'm not telling praying to your God, Khuda, Bhagwan, praying to that superpower whom you believe. It could be God, Bhagwan, Allah, Vaheguru, whoever you believe. There is a superpower, and you should always believe that. There is something or someone above and beyond us. You should always feel it. And you should always believe in miracle. I'm very sad to say there are many people, they don't believe in miracles. I don't know why. There are many people, when you talk about miracles, they say, "Arey yaar, wo sab nahi hota hai, miracle nahi hota hai." Those who say miracle nahi hota hai, unke साथ तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता. And those who believe in miracles, they always get to see those miracles happening. Don't worry, I'll come to one-to-one session. Just I complete this page. This is so important. Pray. Miracle happens to those who believes in miracle. Those who believe in praying. And contemplate. Contemplate means you think about your life, what you have been doing, and what is your plan. What is your plan? This reflect. In our daily life, we are so busy. We are not doing this. Some people, they don't do exercise because they don't get time. They say that they don't get time. There are some people, they say, "I'm so busy, I cannot write my daily plans. I'm so busy." If you are busy, then you will always become busy being busy. There are some people, they love to be busy, They are doing nothing being busy. They are just doing and repeating their work every day, the same thing. They are busy doing nothing. But some people, if they feel that if I have to do this, then I have to take out the time and do it. And there is, these, what you can see, move, reflect, and grow. This is non-negotiable. You cannot negotiate with this. So journal, meditate, plan, pray, contemplate. Contemplate. You have to think about your life, where it is going. Is it heading into the right direction or not? You have to plan. With plan, you need to write journals, because journal will help you to make your plan. So this is called reflect. Now grow. This move will help you, your mind and physical body strong. Reflect will help you to achieve your goal, because you will have a plan. Today I'll do this, tomorrow I'll do that. So this reflect will help you to achieve it. Now grow. Grow is very important. You are physically and mentally strong. You have the plan. But guys, you need knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, you cannot grow. Right now, you're doing this class. Why? Because you need to grow your mind, because the more you grow, the more you go. So what is grow? Grow is review your goals. Whatever the goals you have made, review it. Am I going into the right direction? Read books, because that will give you knowledge. Consume audio books. There are a lot of motivational audio books you should listen. Listen to podcasts, study online. You are doing online study right now. It will help you to grow yourself. Guys, I know that you all know this, but I am giving you a very disciplined and structured way how you can just give your 1 hour and you can do everything in that 1 hour. I don't think that you don't know anything. You know everything, whatever I have told you. But you feel that I don't get time. Boss, I'm giving you this 20-20-20. You have, if you give this 20-20-20 in 1 hour, you are doing everything, whatever is important for you. Yes. Anyone, if you have any question, you can raise your hand. I'll unmute you. If you have any question till now, move, reflect. So right now we are talking about what I have to do in this 1 hour, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, what I have to do. Okay, Shona Gupta, tell me. You can unmute yourself, Shona. Yeah. Your voice is not coming, Shona. I don't know why your voice is not coming. Yeah, now try.
I just want to know about the journal part of it.
Okay.
I write it before going to bed. So is that not correct?
Okay. The right time for writing journal is at the morning, because morning is the time when it is a fresh mind, when you can plan what you are going to do today, the whole day. Yes, at night you should close it by seeing that, yes, I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, somehow I missed it. So I think the night is the time when you close your journal, but morning is the best time to start your journal. But maybe you do it at the night and you plan your next day. So I don't feel any disconnect here or any issues here, because anyway you are becoming, ready before the day comes. So I don't find any problem here, because if you are doing previous day night, it is absolutely fine. But I'm basically this 2020 I have, this has been structured in such a way so that whoever who has not been doing this, this same thing, writing journals, exercise, in 1 hour they can finish it off. That's the thing. But
Got it.
I don't find that writing at the night will make any issue here or any difference. But morning is something, when you are so fresh. So that's the thing, morning we start a day. So considering that, I'm telling that. But if you write on the previous day, it is absolutely fine. Not a problem.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you, Ria. Okay, so this is what is move, what is reflect, what is grow. Karunesh, you want to ask something?
Sir, here I want to ask: is 20 minutes time is enough for this all the three
No, this
pockets?
20 minutes is a minimum required time. It is a minimum. If you want to go, you can convert into 30, 30, 30 also.
It depends on individual.
It depends on individual. Suppose, I have constructed it into a 1 hour plan. If I don't have time, I'm very busy. So in 1 hour, I can do everything. And at the same time, you are doing exercise, you are doing your meditation. So somehow you will be able to, cater everything what is important for you. It's not about only you are doing physical exercise, you are doing mental exercise also. So this design is going to help you a lot. If you want to do more, if you want to make it 30, 30, 30, make it. It will help you, definitely. Yeah, Prakashni, you have any question?
See, I don't have the habit of getting up early because I don't hit the bed early. So, but I do all this in a different fashion, like whenever I get time, but I'll finish all the 3. Is that
Yeah.
okay? Like if I don't do it in the morning?
Okay. See, but intense exercise, please try to understand. Intense exercise. When you will be doing intense exercise? Intense exercise at home, it is quite impossible. Means it is difficult. I would not say impossible, but difficult. If you have the whole equipment and all that, somehow you can manage it. But intense exercise means,
So intense exercise I'm not doing because
yes.
I don't even have a servant maid. So everything I do, right from taking.
See, household
there
work,
itself,
you cannot, or say that you cannot make your household work to be the substitute for this. It is intense exercise is a totally different thing, and household works are different. There are many ladies, they say that I'm doing household work, sir, I don't need it. I don't feel it, because it's not about only exercise, it's about discipline. You are becoming disciplined, you feel that this is important for my body. And it's not that, I want to reduce my tummy, I want to burn my fat. Exercise is your discipline. Exercise is what is, your strength. You feel good when you do exercise. So there are people.
that 7
Yeah.
minutes exercise only I do in the evening.
Okay.
Just giving shake to all the joints. That's all.
Okay.
For my age, that is the only thing. But
see, that's
rest
what,
is,
as per your medical thing and your age, you should make your own thing, but you should ensure that whatever is written, starting from making journal, intense exercise, goals.
that meditation part I never did, but whatever work I do itself,
But
I give total
Prakashni,
concentration.
meditation,
Even if something happens in the next door, I don't hear it. Like I'm totally involved. So
But I'm
that
telling,
itself,
no,
I
no, no. I
think it's
just
a
want to give you one example. Earlier, I think I would say 1 year before, 1 year before, I have always been a very positive person. I do self-affirmation always. I always have, it's not key. I always meditate and do the self-affirmation. Self-affirmation means you all know, na? Self-affirmation. Self-affirmation means I know I'm good, I'm healthy. I always talk about positive thing about me in present tense, not in past tense, not in future tense. Self-affirmation should be done always in present tense. I am good, I am happy, I am wonderful, I feel awesome, I feel healthy. आप बोलोगे सर ये सब बोल के क्या फायदा? Because I know I am not healthy. See, it's not about that. When you speak, you work on it. If you don't speak and and you can change and you can transform yourself. Okay, so guys, so what I was telling earlier, I was not even today also, I'm very positive person. And every time I talk to myself, I always talk to myself. I whenever I, right now in this room, nobody is there. Sometimes I sit, I work, and I talk to myself. Earlier, I used to think I don't need meditation because I connect with myself. मैं अपने से connect हो जाता हूँ, तो मुझे meditation की जरूरत नहीं है. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि I connect, I talk. But guys, meditation is a different thing. When you go to meditation, you go into silence and you feel, you listen so many things what you don't listen in normal ways. You listen the, chirping of the birds, you listen everything, even the sound of the fan. You concentrate on the present moment. When you meditate, you think about what is happening right now. So this is different. So from, I guess from last year, COVID, after COVID, I started doing meditation, and I'm telling you, every day I do it. At least once I do it, but we should do twice. But anyway, I do once and I do exercise also, and it is giving me awesome results. And I'm telling you, if you do it, this is for everyone. Ritu Sinha, you are raising your hand.
Yes, sir. I want to ask that we have to do all the things in continuation.
It will
That
be
first
better.
of
No,
all-
in a 1 hour, you are doing everything. First 20 minutes, you are doing exercise, intense exercise. Next 20 minutes, you are working on your goal, plan, kya karna hai, kaise karna hai. Baki next 20 minutes, you are reading. Aap bolo all, every time we feel, I don't have time to study. I don't have time to listen all this. We are always busy. By giving 1 hour, you can do everything. In that 1 hour. That's what, if you do it, it will help you. I'm telling you, it will change your game. You can say that I do everything in that 1 hour. Okay, Manjula, you are raising something. You are raising for some.
Yes, sir. So I want to know that the yoga is not part of intense exercise, because we are doing 5 to 6 Surya Namaskar in a very fast way, and we are sweating. So it's a
See,
part of.
I normally don't do yoga, so I will
Okay.
not comment on it. But
Okay.
I feel yoga is also the part of intense exercise.
Yes.
Because I know there are many people, they do really intense yoga, which is not possible by so many people.
Yes, sir. So
So
it is dependent on the practice of flexibility of everyone's bodies, different person.
absolutely. And it
It,
should, it always depends on person to person.
hello. We are more comfortable, and we are very, very going flexible again and again.
Absolutely.
And second part is done by me. It's meditation. I am meditating. But
That's
third
very
is
important.
in my life for reading books. So I will start from
That's very
tomorrow.
good. So reading books, learning, we always do it. That you come here, you are, at least we are giving you 5 days in a week. You come, baki ka, 4-5 days you come, baki ka 2 din to manage kari lo.
Yes, yes. Definitely.
So these are the important 3-step move, reflect, and grow, which you can do in just 1 hour. Now, my question is, why? Why should we move? Why should we reflect? Why should we grow? Why? Why? What is the reason? Now I'm going to tell you the reason. See the reason. When we move, our metabolism elevate. Your internal metabolism, your digestion, your eating process, everything, it elevate, it improves. Your BDNF flow increases, cleanses cortisol, serotonin increases, dopamine rises, endorphin rises. These are life-changing event which is only possible when you go for this move, when you do intense exercise, either do yoga, running, whatever you do. If you do this move, then these are the very vital important points which you get it. Metabolism elevate, BDNF flow, BDNF. The full form of BDNF is brain derived neurotrophic factors. Brain derived neurotrophic factors. These are the, again I'm telling you, brain derived neurotrophic factors. It helps, these are the, chemicals which it secretes, and it helps your cells of your body to grow and function more regularly, more normally. This is very, very much important. Brain derived neurotrophic factors. It cleanses cortisol. Cortisol are the, bad hormones, or we call it, the sad hormones. जब भी आप गुस्सा होते हो, sad होते हो, आपका cortisol hormone generate करता है, जो आपके body को pollute करता है. It hurts your body. Cortisol hormone we say. So ये clean करता है, उस cortisol को clean करता है. आप अपने दुखों को भूल सकते हो. You can work to make yourself more fresh. Serotonin increases. Anybody knows serotonin? Anyone? Yeah, Neeraj, what is serotonin?
It's good hormones. I don't know the particular name, but it is a it starts secretes and blood circulations को काफी अच्छे से purify करते हैं.
Okay, absolutely right. I'm telling you a few important thing about serotonin. Just a minute. Okay, fine. There are four neurotrophic, there are 4 neurotransmitter. These are not hormones. हार्मोन क्या होता है? जो ग्लैंड सिक्रीट करता है उनको हार्मोन बोला जाता है. These are called chemicals. These are called neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitter. There are 4 neurotransmitter. First is dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphin. Again, I'm repeating: dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, endorphin. Dopamine. When we are happy, when we are always happy, our dopamine level increases. When we are sad, our dopamine level decreases. Serotonin. When we feel so good, so when we get love, affection, family, जब हमको love मिलता है, प्यार मिलता है, relationship मिलता है, this serotonin increases. जब हम अकेले feel करते हैं, nobody is there, nobody loves me, serotonin decreases. Oxytocin. Oxytocin, when we feel success, we are successful. When we get the taste of success, oxytocin increases. When we get failure, we feel that I can't do it. Our self-image is so low. Oxytocin level decreases. Now endorphin. When we feel pain in our body, when we feel that our body is so tired, जब आपको लगता है आपका body tired हो गया है, you can't do anything, your endorphin level decreases. जब आप अपने बॉडी में पेन फील करते हो बट फिर भी आप यू गो अहेड, यू फील द पेन, यू टॉलरेट योर पेन, आप अपने पेन को टॉलरेट करते हो, आपका एंडोर्फिन बढ़ जाता है. पेन किलर्स, अबाउट पेन किलर्स. पेन किलर्स में आर्टिफिशियल एंडोर्फिन्स होता है. इसीलिए आपको जब पेन होता है एंड आप पेन किलर खाते हो तो आपको बेटर फील होता है, बिकॉज उसमें एंडोर्फिन होता है. Always see, these are some of the knowledge which we should have. See, I just want to give you a very good example. I don't know, आपने कभी have you ever heard about Parkinson disease? आपने कभी Parkinson disease का नाम सुना है? Parkinson disease, Parkinson disease is, I have seen many people, they have Parkinson's, I know this is a very, their hand shakes, they become very slow, their activity becomes very slow. ऐसा नहीं कि उनके हाथ में प्रॉब्लम है. When they suppose there is a remote and their hand is here, ये रिमोट को पकड़ने में, to take this remote, their hand shakes and it takes lot of time to reach to the remote. आपको लगेगा यार रिमोट तो सामने ही है, रिमोट तो सामने है, why it is taking more time? Boss, it's not कि hand is going to hold it, it's the mind which is giving the instruction to the hand. Then hand is going and taking that remote. Neurotransmitter, I told you, this is not a hormone, this is neurotransmitter. So this neurotransmitter क्या करता है, दिमाग के communication को सही parts तक पहुंचाता है. So जब आपका, yes, absolute, this is everything is nervous system. So when आपका dopamine घट जाए, सो वो न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर सिग्नल स्लो हो जाता है और आपके हाथ तक आते आते ना टाइम लग जाता है, एंड देन यू होल्ड इट. मेनी पीपल दे हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम, दे शेक हैंड्स, दे बिकम वेरी स्लो. एंड यू नो व्हाई इट हैपेंस? व्हेन यू आर सैड, व्हेन यू आर सो नेगेटिव, व्हेन यू आर नॉट सैटिस्फाइड, व्हेन आप बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन करते हो एंड एक्सपेक्टेशन इज नॉट फिल्ड अप. सोचो एक टेंशन से क्या क्या हो सकता है. रिलेशनशिप तो दूर की बात, your own health deprecates, your own health deteriorates. Serotonin, these all are, it's called, normally इसको happy hormones बोलते हैं, but these are not hormones, these are chemicals, neurotransmitter. ये brain से information communicates करता है body तक. So guys, just imagine, by doing exercise, you are enhancing your serotonin, you are enhancing your endorphin, you are increasing your dopamine. आपको क्या चाहिए आपके लाइफ में, आपके हेल्थ के लिए जो भी चाहिए, आपके वो पहले 20 मिनट आपको मिल रहे हैं. I'm not telling you to give 45 minutes, I'm not telling you to give 1 hour, I'm just telling you to give your first 20 minutes doing exercise. I don't know कल से कौन कौन start कर रहा है, I don't know, but it should be your decision. But anybody who starts, he will or she will get the benefit out of it. He will be energetic, she will be happy, she will have a good feeling. I'm telling you guys, ये जो मेरा, whatever the business I operate, most of the business ideas I get when I do exercise. I don't know why. I don't know why. I get all the ideas, all the good effective ideas when I do my workout, when I do meditation in that 1 hour. This is so important, so important. और कौन बोला था कि एक्सरसाइज हम सिर्फ पतले होने के लिए करते हैं? नो गाइस, इट्स नॉट अबाउट बीइंग पतला. आई एम अंडरवेट, still I do it. I hope so. I'm underweight, but right now I may not. You know about BMI, body mass index. It's very important. It should be averagely it should be 22.5. इसके बारे में ज्यादा जानना हो तो के सर का क्लास कल है, जरूर पूछिएगा. इफ यू रियली वांट टू नो अबाउट BMI, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. के सर को पूछिएगा तो वो बहुत एक्साइटेड होकर आपको पूरा बता देंगे. Okay, so tomorrow is KK sir class at 11. No, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, sorry, Sunday. So you should definitely ask if you really want to know this. So BMI is very much important. Okay, let's go ahead. So what not? If you move, everything goes wonderful. Rupesh is saying 22.4. Wow, that's good. Very nice. Okay. So guys, lack of dopamine is very dangerous. You need to be more happy. You have to give more happiness to yourself. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Now we'll go for reflect. Reflect. So reflect, we know what is reflect, meditate and all. Now, why we should meditate? Why we should reflect? Because when we reflect, our gratitude boosted, awareness soars, happiness lives, wisdom develops, serenity expands. What not? You know, when you meditate, you surrender yourself to the people. You know, when you gratitude, what is gratitude? When you reflect, जब आप अपने बारे में सोचते हो, when you think about yourself, you also think about so many people. And you feel, you know, who are the people they contributed in your life. That is called gratitude. When you think about yourself, you feel about those faces, you feel about those people. They brought changes in your life. So that, you know, when you meditate and all, you feel about people. You respect people. You say thank you to the people. Your happiness lifts, your awareness, you know more about yourself. Your wisdom develops, your knowledge level goes up. You generate serenity. You feel that, you know, that awesome silence in this busy world. It's an outstanding gesture, outstanding experience to feel the world is so awesome. Serenity, you feel so serene, you know, the life is so good, so cool. And right now, at this COVID period, if you are not doing this, you are missing out something. These are so important. This is non-negotiable. Okay, now let's go for the grow. See the serenity, serene, feeling so serene, you know, so good from inside, so silence, no chaos, no crowd. You feel, because when you meditate, you feel you are the only person in the world. So you can see yourself, you can feel yourself. You don't get any crowd or any, you know, sound of the crowd. It's a wonderful feeling, you know, feeling so serene, so peaceful. Absolutely, Prakashini. Peaceful, calm, no shore sharaba. So good. Now, guys, let's go for grow. When we study, when we you know, give food to our mind, what happens? The 2x, 3x mindset. You generate 2x, 3x mindset. Knowledge deepens. Acumen accelerates. Confidence accelerates. Master change. Two X, 3x mindset. Do you know 2x, 3x mindset, anyone? 2x, 3x mindset means double your income, triple your investment. Because anyway, if you start 2020, there will be a lot of change in your financial condition. So double your income, triple your investments. That's called 2x, 3x mindset. Your knowledge deepens, you increase your knowledge. Acumen. Acumen means your talent. You are doing something really very well. So that, your talent enhances. You become much better than your previous. Suppose I am a coach. So my acumen is I coach people, I help people, I give better suggestions. So the more I grow myself, I help much better way. So acumen accelerates. Confidence accelerates. Master change. So guys, the why should be clear. These are the whys of 2020. Guys, these are very, very important. I'm telling you, and it's a result oriented design. And I must tell you, because you should know this. These are the design 2020. This formula has been given by one of the renowned motivator, Mr. Robin Sharma. I don't know, have you ever heard about his name or not? He's a wonderful person. I personally like it very much. Yeah, Neeraj. So he invented this 2020, and it is mind blowing. Okay, now let's go for. So we have already understood what I have to do. The whats are totally clear. I believe what these are the whats, and this what are clear. इसका एक snapshot ले लो, अपने mobile पे रखो. It will always make you aware what you have to do. This is so important. Absolutely, Neeraj. So this is called what. Now I have shown you why. Take a snapshot, keep in your phone. It will always remind you about move, reflect, and grow. Now I'll tell you the benefits. You know why you should do, you know what should be done. Now I will tell you the benefits of the people who does it. What are the benefits they get? The benefits. When you move, your focus increases, your productivity increases, your brain optimizes, your energy grows, you have less stress, you live longer. You can focus more effectively. Imagine 20 minutes activity can empower you with lot of benefits. More focus, productivity, brain optimize, your brain becomes more open, you become more creative. As I told you, I think I was not planning basically. And basically this is the reason, we get most of our ideas when we do exercise. I'm telling you a very big secret. I feel you will always, you will understand what I'm telling you. There are top richest person, top 10 richest person. You go to them and ask them, when do they get up in the morning? They are the, most of the time, I think the 90% people, they get up in the morning. I'm giving you one more thing. If you go to your nearest, जहाँ पे लोग बहुत, morning में बहुत exercise करते हैं ना, you go to that ground and see what kind of people they come for exercise. 70 to 80% people who are rich, they go to exercise. We should be observant. I think we know how to grow, we know how to be rich, we know how to succeed, but I don't know, something stops us. We don't want to see what we should see. And seeing से तो हम लोग की जो लोग जो कुछ लोग हैं ना जो रिच कैसे देखते हैं पता है, वो लोग को लगता है, वो लोग जब रिच के बच्चे लोग को देखते हैं ना कि दिन भर गाड़ी में घूमते रहते हैं, शॉपिंग करते रहते हैं, रिच के फैमिली मेंबर्स को देखते हैं, लेकिन जो इंसान ने पैसा बनाया उसको कोई नहीं देखता। उसके पैसे से जो दूसरे लोग वो बेनिफिट्स मिल रहा है, हम लोग उनको देखते हैं, अरे यार क्या कार है, दे आर गोइंग हियर, तो वी फील कि भाई रिच होना मतलब लैविश लाइफ। जो असल में रिच होता है ना, जो सच में पैसा बना रहा है, उसका अलग ही डिसिप्लिन होता है फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू नाइट। एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द रिच पर्सन आई हैव सीन शॉपिंग भी करते हैं ना तो काफी सेलेक्टिव शॉपिंग करते हैं। दे डोंट बिलीव इन क्वांटिटी शॉपिंग, भाई ले लिया ले लिया ले लिया। दे गो फॉर क्वालिटी शॉपिंग। जो रिच नहीं है वो देखना, वो ज्यादा स्टाइल मारता है, और जो रिच है वो सिंपल रहता है। So guys, we need to understand, we have to be simple and we have to be disciplined. We just have to follow some discipline in life. We should do exercise, we should do meditation, we should, for growing ourselves, we should study online, study at home. We have to study that's, 60 minutes, 60 minute students. We talked about it, 60 minute student in last class. 60 minute student every day, we have to at least study for 60 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead. Now let's go for reflect. What are the benefits of reflect? The benefits of reflects are greater positivity, decreased reactivity, higher creativity, stronger performance, richer life. You will be more positive. Your reactivity will decrease. Higher creativity. You will be very creative. You will think new thoughts. You will create something new. Stronger performance. Your performance will be more strong. Richer life. Your life will be rich with all the positive things in your life. There are two words: decrease reactivity. Reactivity. Some people are reactive. What is happening in my life? I just cannot live like this. I want more happiness. They don't want to do anything. They are very reactive. They are not proactive. They are reactive. वो खुद से कुछ नहीं करते. They don't take responsibility. You imagine people who do all these, they become very disciplined, They know, boss, this is my body and mind. I have to feed them every time. Body को दौड़ा के, exercise करके, दिमाग को पढ़ाई करा के, and अपने life को plan करके. So guys, these people are very disciplined. It's not about only studying to get marks. It's about making yourself more knowledgeable so that you can take some better decisions in your life. Now grow. The benefits of grow. The benefits of grow is better income, impact, craft calibrates, domain dominance, personal growth, inspiration rises. What not, guys? By doing this 1 hour activity, you are going to get everything. The question is, who is going to go for it? See, don't follow 20-20-20, but follow these. 20-20-20 formula has been given so that in 1 hour you can make everything and then you can perform. The main thing is these activities are so important. This is very, very important. This is the one of the module which changed my life. I believe it. I always used to plan, you know, I will do exercise, I will do exercise. I never used to do it. I started it. You know, बहुत लोग सोचते हैं सर मैं सुबह उठ ही नहीं पाती सर कैसे एक्सरसाइज करें. You know, it happened with me also. मेरे को भी सुबह उठने में कभी कभी लेट होता था तो मुझे भी लगता था कैसे स्टार्ट करें. एक दिन डिसाइड किया जब उठेंगे तभी जाएंगे. 9 बजे उठेंगे, 9 बजे एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, 10 बजे उठेंगे, 10 बजे एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, लेकिन करेंगे तो जरूर. उससे क्या होता था जब 9 बजे मैं निकलता था बाहर, इतना धूप, आई यूज्ड टू क्राई यार मैं पहले क्यों नहीं आया. वही 9 बजे 8:30 बजे करते 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 नाउ आई एम getting awake maximum by 6. By 6:15 I am out, but 6:15 maybe it is too much, you know, light outside. मुझे तो लगता है कि 5 बजे उठने से और ज्यादा बेटर होता. बट आई स्लीप थोड़ा लेट में सोता हूँ बोल के आई फील कि थोड़ा बॉडी को स्लीप की भी जरूरत है. सो मिनिमम एटलीस्ट, यू नो, ऐसे तो बोलते हैं कि देर आर 7.5 hours, बट पीपल हु डू मेडिटेशन जो लोग करते हैं उनके लिए थोड़ा कम होने से भी दैट कैन बी मैनेज्ड. Normally it is 7.5 hours. You should definitely sleep. But if you are meditating, तो आप थोड़ा कम कर सकते हो. But if you are not doing meditation, minimum 7 to 7.5 hours, you should definitely sleep. अब जिसका meditate, you know, कुछ अलग problem है, that's a different thing. But normal person should sleep for 7.5 hours. आप घटा सकते हो, but you have to do some alternative for that. So better income, impact, your income will rise, guys. Imagine by the more you know, the more you earn. Impact, craft, it calibrates. You will be more creative. So you will be, you know, creating a lot of things. Domain, आपका जो domain work है, आप जिस पे काम करते हो, वो उसमें आप dominate कर पाओगे अपने आप को. You will be, you know, you will create dominance. Personal growth, inspiration, you will always get inspired when you, because when you study about many people, you study about rich people, you study about successful people, so you will always be inspired the more you read. So guys, these are the benefits. So guys, 2020, the game changer formula, it is non-negotiable. You cannot just negotiate with it. You cannot just leave this. So these benefits are the game changer. You imagine अगर आपके life में focus हो, productivity हो, your brain is open, optimized, powerful, energy है आप में, कम stress है, you know, you will live longer. If you become more positive, you will be more proactive, you will be more creative, your performance will improve, you will be rich, you know, your life will be rich. You'll have better income, personal growth, inspiration. I think if anybody gets everything, whatever you can see on the screen, I think you can really live a wonderful life ahead. Any question? If you have, you can raise your hand and you can ask, or else I'll just allow you to unmute if you really want to unmute. Yeah, Manogya, you can unmute yourself.
So I want to know one, a word you said here, like BDNF. What is BDNF?
BDNF is brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor.
Sir,
This
trophic is traffic, sir.
Traffic nahi, trophic, trophic, TROPHICK.
Okay.
IC, sorry. PHIC, trophic. Neurotrophic factors. आप खुद Google करके एक बार देख लेना इसको. This is, it helps your cells to grow, and you know, क्योंकि sometimes our cells work very irregularly. You know, like you might have heard about the cancer. What is cancer? Cancer, you know, there are many cells in our body, and the The regular way is every cell, it develops and it gets again, killed by itself only and again regenerate. Okay, so when BDNF, it helps the cells to be more regular. इससे आपकी बीमारी कम हो जाएगी, आपका सेल और ज्यादा डेवलप करेगा, सही टाइम पे it will generate, सही टाइम पे ये ब्रेक होगा, your whole system will go so well and you will
Sir,
be
you
always
said
young. Yeah.
you said craft calibers means something creativity.
Yes,
So why
craft,
that
you will
name?
always create a lot of new ideas, lot of new machines which will help you to grow in future.
Okay.
See why it happens, because see, you are studying, you are learning, when you learn, then you learn about so many things. You learn about machine, you learn about ideas, you learn about services. So your creativity will impact and you will make it. You will not only plan it, you will make it. See, this is a very small module today we have done, but in that small 1 hour, you can live your whole life. Did you like this module, guys?
Yes, sir. It is making us to live king size, I suppose.
It's awesome.
Yes, sir.
With this
Very,
2020,
awesome.
you become king size.
Mind blowing.
Absolutely. And it is a
One-
result oriented module, guys. If you really start, you will see the changes in 90 minutes. See, I said this executive class is not for motivating you. You guys are already motivated. We need a plan. We need a perfect plan which is possible.
Yeah, direction,
And
direction.
yes, we need that direction. We don't need a motivation. We all are motivated, guys. और मोटिवेटेड हो के कुछ फायदा नहीं, आज मोटिवेटेड हो, कल आप डिमोटिवेटेड हो जाओगे, you will not do anything. You are motivated. You need, भाई मेरे को करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, सुबह उठना है, चलो उठ गया, क्या करना है, सुबह उठ के move, I have to do move, okay, I'll do it. Then क्या करना है, I have to reflect, okay, I'll do it. Then what I have to do, I have to grow, okay, I'll do it. If you do this, and then you will see the result in 90 days. You will bound to see the results. Now the thing is, who will do that? That's the question that you have to decide. Anybody who does it, you will not be disappointed. You will see, at least, you will say that joining this executive class has changed your life. It will, definitely.